Hello friends, welcome to ACS, your education mentor. So friends, in this session we will discuss about the NEET PG counseling. As you know, the counseling authorities have extended the counseling time for the NEET PG, and there is yet another notice by the Rajasthan counseling authorities that Rajasthan is going to conduct another round of counseling for the remaining seats which they have got left over for the MSMD programs. So there are around 157 seats which are left in the government medical college and around 366 medical seats in the private medical college. These seats are available in the different subjects. Some of the colleges have got the approval of their seats just a couple of days before. So due to this, Rajasthan is conducting a new counseling schedule, and it's a really good news for all the students, those who are still looking for the MSMD programs or MSMD seats and they have not been allotted any seats as of now. So those candidates, those who wish to participate in this counseling, they are invited to do the registration from 21st of August to 23rd of August till 5 p.m. All the students, those who have registered earlier in the round number 1st, 2 or 3rd, they are not required to do the registrations. So if there is any new student, those who want to apply for the Rajasthan state MSMD counseling, so he can apply from 21st to 23rd of August till 5 p.m. After that, on 24th, the seat matrix will be available and the counseling will be scheduled on 26th of August, and it is going to be a offline counseling. The student have to reach personally to the Jaipur in order to do the counseling. So this is all about today's news. So Rajasthan is going to conduct a additional counseling schedule for the remaining seats, and it's a good news for all the students, those who are still looking for the counseling and those who are sitting on the higher ranks and they have not got any allotment. So obviously, in Rajasthan, if you talk about the private medical colleges, the tuition fees is you can say that is a little bit higher tuition fees. As you can see, that is more than 40 lakh rupees of fees over there, and in some of the subjects our tuition fees is low. So all the tuition fees will be available on the official site of Rajasthan where the counseling is to be hosted. All the other state students, those who have not did their UG from the Rajasthan, so all the other state students can participate only for the private medical college seats over there, and the state students can participate for private as well as the government seats over there. So this is all for today, friends. Thank you very much for giving me valuable time. All the very best for your career, friends. Thank you.